Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2017 Honda Rebel 300. This entry-level motorcycle has just under 1,600 miles on it and is in incredible shape, even with a very minor tip over on the left-hand side. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. With the low miles on it, the tires are still in great shape, plenty of miles left on them. This bike is all stock, and it comes with the factory solo setup, so no passenger seat, no passenger pegs, but the spots to mount them. And as you can tell by the back tire, a lot of miles left on that as well. So on the left-hand side here where it was tipped over, we've got a tiny little mark here on the rear support, as well as the clutch lever and the back of the mirror here. Pretty minor, but it definitely did go over and touch the ground. So all right, show you those miles now. 1581 is what's on it. This 2017 Honda Rebel 300 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.